Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. A 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 27th, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, yes, Jigsaw Sudoku, number 9346. Before I start, I always count up printed digits, 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but the publisher has indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a dual box here. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple box? I see here a triple box. The 2 is already given, so the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark this. The other side of the middle box, the middle box is also 4 and a 5, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Here another triple box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box over the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5, the inside box. Well, we have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. Alright, no triple box anymore. So, next question, do we have here quadro boxes? I see here a quadro box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box level 3 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere, yeah. More quadro boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box, okay? T shape, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? Yeah, let me draw the Z construction. When you see the Z construction, if you flip this, you will get the S is the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 3 there. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1 Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or 3 here. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box It's the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Give me 3. We have a double 3 there. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. So here in this Z construction, we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 over here. So the only place left of the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 1. And then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left of the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 1 and 3, okay. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 on the 3, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be so 3, is also connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1, 1 box left in this Z construction for 1 box left for the 1, okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Let me wait. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Then this box can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then let me think. Come on. 1 and 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Come on. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Here, these two boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. If we mark those two boxes earlier with 1, we have a 1 now, so this can't be 1 anymore. That box will be 1, and if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 3 and a 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there, is connected with that box, so 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area, 4 numbers, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. So 4 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Let me think. I've marked these 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. That box will be 2. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, will be so 4. I've marked this box with 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and the 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 or a 5, this box. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. Is connected with that box will be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2. This quadra box supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We go down. Alright. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've eliminated the 3. So 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, it's a weekend.